Good morning. We are sailing south along the coast of Argentina here, just cruising along for another day at sea. So 2 days from Punta del Este to Puerto Madryn. We'll be in Puerto Madryn tomorrow and see the penguins. So today, just a relaxing day at sea, so let's go explore the ship and see what's going on. It's starting to get cooler out, as you can see right now. There's a lot less people at the pool today, and also people are starting to wear jackets because it is cooling off out here. It's kind of windy, but it's nice. It's not hot, and it's I know why there's no people outside at the pool, because they're all inside at the solarium here, where it's covered and warm. Let's check it out. It's nice and quiet on the ship. A lot of people are probably in their rooms, or who knows, trying to stay warm. Anyway, we're going to a presentation on seabirds, so I'll tell you what we learn. We learned that there's a lot of seabirds down in the Southern Ocean, and albatross can live to be 50 years old, and a bunch of other stuff. It's been a lazy day on the ship, and now we're going to the Captain's Club presentation, whatever, and then dinner, so let's go. Well, it's been a good couple of days at sea. Tomorrow we'll be in Puerto Madryn in Patagonia, and we'll go see the penguins. So we're going to close the video right now. It's 9 o'clock, the sun is still out. So the further south we go, the later the sun is out at night, which is nice. So it's 9 o'clock and it's still sunny. We'll show you that tomorrow when we get to Puerto Madryn. Anyway, buenas noches.